The 2015 Acadia. The GMC Acadia has great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better highway fuel economy than any other 8-passenger SUV, advanced technology, and thoughtful ergonomics. The Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, stability control, traction control, cruise control, child safety locks, power brakes, trip odometer, fog lights, clock, compass. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.